Her voice. It's your moment, Katy. Not gonna cry.
Ladies and gentlemen, Katy Perry.
Okay, I didn't know that she was gonna be performing so soon. I wonder what song. I swear, if it's like it's Firework. I knew it. She's gonna have the finale. I knew it. I knew it. She looks so good too. Yes. Oh my gosh. This is her time. I love how her hair's like slicked back. Yes, sing, girl. And then everyone else in the background. This is a moment. Oh my gosh. I'll never get tired of this song. It's over 10 years old, but her voice. The fireworks. Yes. Yes. I knew she was gonna get the finale with the fireworks. I knew it. I knew it. It's a classic. Instant classic. I love this so much. Oh, okay, bass. It's building. Okay. I just love like the different kinds of firework, you know, like the different versions that she can sing, and yet it's still as special. Oh, that is pretty. Is that that is gorgeous. That is amazing. The light, come on, everyone sing. And yes, yes. Serve those vocals, come on. It's your moment, Katy. Let's do it. And then the president. I'm not gonna get emotional. Come on, let your colors burst. You're gonna leave them all in Where are the fireworks? Come on. This is so... Not gonna cry. Oh my god. I'm not crying. That was amazing. I love it. That's a lot of freaking fireworks.
Fireworks in the sky over our nation's capital. January 20th.
What a way to end the night. Oh my god.
This has been a uniquely historic inauguration.
That was...
Thanks to all of our performers, friends, and neighbors who celebrated America.
Congratulations, Joe.
And once again, congratulations, President Biden and Vice President Harris.
Oh my gosh, congratulations to them both.
From the Lincoln Memorial, good night, America.
I'm so happy. This has been a great inauguration day. Happy Inauguration Day, everyone. Woo!